Hello everyone, today I would like to share a digital humanity project, 3D creation of ancient Rome. The project rendered the street view of ancient Rome that brought the audience back to the ancient era, although many buildings were destroyed. They used a DH tool, 3D modeling software. One example we have learned in our class was SketchUp. Historical buildings were built such as Capitolian Hill, Temple of Venus at Rome, and Colosseum. They recreate every detail of ancient constructions that include both interior and the exterior, and even the paintings and every statue. The project is developed by the YouTube channel owner History in 3D to teach the audience how ancient Rome looked like. Next is the purpose of this project. The ancient Rome is described in the historical stories and portrayed in many drawings. But now there are many buildings destroyed, such as Ludus Magnus, and some are partly destroyed like the Colosseum. The researcher want to rebuild and show how the complete ancient Rome looked like to the public, arousing the interest of public toward the history of Rome. Therefore, the audience can easily click on YouTube to feel the ancient Rome without deep research, such as diving into historical archives and imagine the shape of different historical buildings with many wreckages. We can compare the Colosseum recreated in 3D modeling software with that in the real world. Also, the recreated Ludus Magnus can solve the destroyed one digitally. Then we can see the project go into very details, the complexity of the architecture and the design of the arcs and pillars inspire artists now. The views of the street beside the Colosseum can show the power and even the pride of Rome. All details in the buildings were meticulously repaired to the audiences. As for the popularity, the audience of the project video can be classified into general public, artists, and the historical researchers. Although it does not allow researchers to directly refer to the project to conduct academic research, the project can inspire and guide the researchers to do researching to some extent with efficiency. The reappearing of the historical constructions in ancient Rome, which are mainly complexly detailed, artists learned art form of that era and did inspire architects to design a new building. The ancient Rome is depicted in many forms of art, which gain popularity, such as drawings, movies, and even video games. So the project can teach those interested audience how ancient Rome looked like. Finally, we can analyze the effectiveness of this project. The digital 3D modeling provides viewers immersive experience to learn the Rome history without tedious research work. It's intuitive and the audience can appreciate the construction and even the power of Rome immediately, and so on.